This beauty over here is the Cooler Master Masterliquid Lite 120. Ultra low profile, dual chamber technology, and blah 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 blah. And let me tell you guys, this one was fantastic while it worked. Okay? And especially because the price. Why the dual technology? Sorry, I'm gonna switch to that one. Okay, because you can put one fan in one part and the fan in another part. I think so that's the dual technology, but it's really fantastic. They let you to set up the things in this way. The price was only $39.99. That is super cheap. That is, I know like a normal cooler who are way more expensive than that one. So I didn't know it's gonna work properly. Before this one, what I got over here was the stock cooler from AMD. And after switch to this one, I tried in some games, and especially in Warzone, I got between 10 to 15 degrees less. So I was in love with this. I really was in love, and especially because it was super quiet. Okay, cheap, quiet, and looked good. I'm gonna show you a video about how it looked like in my rig when everything is working. But the problem is, after 2 months, it started to make a click noise. Not the air noise. I know the air noise. It started to make a weird click noise. So I tried to looking for videos and other people who has the same issue, but nobody else seems to have the same problem with this particular brand. After I tried to fix it, and my mind started to tell, okay, let's apply the fixes for the normal air, you know, like a turning the pipes in another direction, shaking. I follow every single tutorial I could find in YouTube to try to get the sound out. Okay, but what happened is I found one video, the only video, in a different brand where they have the same problem with the click noise. It was the same noise. And what happened is that guy discovered when they opened the pump, there was a piece loose inside the pump. So he attached the piece together and the noise was gone. But I'm not gonna open this thing because I'm gonna avoid the warranty. Instead of, I am returning this model, I am buying exactly the same one. I want to try it one more time. Because I didn't find any other person who had the same problem. I want to check it was only for this particular unit. I will let you know in the next video. Thank you. If you want to try this one, believe me, it is really fantastic. It's super cheap. For a budget PC, you cannot ask for something better. $39.99, and nobody is giving money for the advertisement. See you next time.
People, you are not gonna believe this, but while we are doing the video about my problem with the click sound,
the another one arrived. So I'm gonna make a video about unboxing this one to show you what is inside this package. Yeah!
Look, now it's quiet. The only noise coming from the fans, but that is okay. Compared with the noise it was doing before, it was killing me. It was getting me crazy, to be honest. Yeah, I know I have to do something with my cables. Sorry guys. But I'm really happy with this thing. I will let you know after a couple of months how it's going with this thing. Thank you.